Hey guys, Eric Martel here. It's no secret that real estate is a great investment. But what if you don't have the money to buy property and real estate outright? Well, don't worry. There are ways to get around that. And today I'm going to talk about the best source of financing for your real estate deal, and that is private money lenders. In this video, I will explain who they are, how they are different than other lenders, where to find them, and how to present them with an opportunity they can't refuse.
I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse.
But before we get going, make sure you like and subscribe because every week I'll be posting content about your money, your wealth, and your future. I discuss the economy, investing strategies, trends, and much more. Click that like and subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on anything. But now, let's get started. Most people think that you need money to invest in real estate, and it is only partially true. While real estate investing is easier when you have a lot of money, experienced real estate investors know that it doesn't matter how much money you have, you're always short a couple of millions. Isn't that right? How do experienced real estate investors find that extra money that they need? Well, they find private investors who are willing to participate in the deal. That's right. These private investors may participate as equity partner, general partners, limited partners, and may prefer to be a private lender on the deal. Where do they find these private investors? Well, these investors are part of their network of investors that they have built a personal relationship with over the years. And this is what you need to do. Private lenders are individuals or group of investors sometimes that provide real estate loans and charge interest for the loan. Private money lenders can finance real estate deals faster than conventional banks. Since you have built a relationship with them, they are trusting you to have a successful project and pay them back with interest. When it comes to real estate investing, there are a few main ways to get funding for your deal. You can get it from a bank, from a hard money lender, and of course, from a private lender. Banks are a more traditional option, but they can be quite restrictive in terms of the mortgages they offer. Hard money lenders are companies that lend money from a pool of investors. They have a more formal approval process that includes some underwriting. Hard money lenders are still easier to work with than the banks, but they can be expensive in terms of the interest rates that they charge, and they often also charge points. Private lenders, on the other hand, are the most flexible and can give you a loan faster than a bank or hard money lender. You typically have built a personal relationship with these lenders. They have a fairly informal process and normally no underwriting per se. These lenders are focused on your track record in building a relationship. Now that we know what a private lender is, the question is, where can we find them? Well, you can ask friends and family. So if you know someone who has experience with private lenders, ask them for a referral. They may be able to introduce you to a few lenders who can help finance their real estate purchase. You can also look online. There are a number of websites that list private lenders. Do a quick search online and see if you can find someone who can help you out. Use social networks to find private lenders. In today's world, almost everyone has an internet presence. In Facebook, you have all these Facebook groups, Facebook pages of people who are looking to connect and network about real estate. Often you can post your deal on these groups and pages to share what you're looking for, and then maybe some of these people that are on the group will connect with you and ask you more information. This could be the beginning of a long business relationship. If you're having trouble finding someone who can help finance your next real estate deal, try using these platforms like Facebook and BiggerPockets to connect with potential lenders online first before making any phone calls or sending emails. This will allow you to ensure that the person you're dealing with is legitimate, hopefully reputable, before taking things further with them in person or over the phone. Obviously, you can contact your local real estate association or real estate agent or broker. Many real estate associations have members who are private lenders. Contact them and see if they can recommend someone. Also check out with local real estate investors. So many real estate investor groups have members who are private lenders. They often have meetings and meetups. So reach out to them, find out when and where they're meeting, and go and join them. This is the best way to network. You can also look on meetup.com, and then find meetings where real estate investors are meeting. Often this is where private money lenders, real estate investors, wholesaler, a whole bunch of different real estate investors meet together. This is a great place for you to network and tell them what you're doing and how they can help. Now, the key here is to expand your network, to reach as many investors as possible that could lead you to a few private lenders. This is not a one-time deal. You're not going to be doing this only once and find a couple of private lenders and you're going to be done with it. This is an ongoing thing that you have to do. You have to constantly nurture your network and make sure that you build these private lenders and these relationships. Because as you grow your business, as you do more real estate investments, you're going to see that you're going to need more business partners, more investors to be part of your deal. Like I said at the beginning, it doesn't matter how much money you have, you're always short a couple of millions somehow. So that's why it's so important for you to build that network of lenders and investors that are always going to be there for you when you are looking for money for your deal. Now that we know where these lenders are, how do you present a deal to a private lender so that they can't refuse? So the first thing is really to be able to present the opportunity very quickly, kind of like the elevator pitch. There's so many ways to make money in real estate. So generally, investors are going to specialize in a few areas that they understand very well. So you want to present them the opportunity very quickly or relatively quickly. You want to tell them what type of property it is, the type of investment plan that you're planning to do, the exit strategy, the financial projections, and any special considerations that, they should know about. You want to do something relatively quickly so that you can gauge their interest in that particular investment. For example, you may say, well, I have an investment opportunity for a single family flip. I'm planning to purchase this property for $200K. It needs about $50K in renovation, and I can resell it for $400K. The full duration of the project is about 10 months. So I'm looking for a $200K investment at 10% interest. I'm going to pay the interest monthly. Next, you need to demonstrate your real estate experience. So private lenders want to see that you have real estate investing experience and understand the market. They want to know that you know what you're doing. You want to show them why you are the right person for this deal by providing a track record of prior real estate investments and other related experience. And finally, you want to show them the exit strategy. Private lenders want to know how they will get their money back with interest. You want to clearly demonstrate the exit strategy, whether it's through a refinance or a sale of the property, and then explain your plan for repaying their loans on time with interest. So I hope you found this helpful. I want to make sure that you always start building that network of private investors, private lenders. It's going to make your life so much easier as a real estate investor in your future. If you want to learn more about real estate investing, then make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I create content on real estate investing topics every week, and I would love for you to become part of the community. And thank you for your support.